Okay, this is Peggy. Uh-oh, Peggy. She's such a fluffy ragdoll that she's just like hard to hold on to her. It's like holding on to. See, she's like so floppy. I'm floppy. Yeah. See, she's slipping out of my hand again. Get up, Piggy. Here we go. Hi, pretty girl. Okay. This is Ford. And he's so floppy, too. Look at his feet. Peggy's screaming because she wants me to pick her back up. This is pretty, Ford. Let's watch Ford. Come on, Ford. There you go. Are you still a little bit damp from your bath? Hmm? Okay. He's still checking on you. Good boy. Good. That might be a freckle on his nose. Peggy, I'm trying to video Ford. Can I video Ford? No. You want me to video you again? Let me get Ford back in there. And then I'll get you back. Peggy. Okay. Okay, let's put Ford back in there. Peggy, I got lipstick on you. Right there, kinda. I got some lipstick on her. Look at her. She's just like, I need you to hold me and flop me around. Floppity, floppity, floppity. So floppy. So floppy. I love you. Peggy. Is your name Peggy? That's funny. That's funny, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. There's Yolanda. She's knocked out. Peggy, what are you doing? You're messing up my video. Lay down. Look at that. Put your little head right there. Wait, no, you have to hold me. Okay. As long as I'm on her, she'll lay down, but if I put her down, she won't lay down. See? No, I need to get help. She just jumped on me. Let's look at Yolanda. She's still a little bit wet, but she's sleeping so good. I hate to disturb her. She's so soft like a baby. Peggy! Peggy. Yolanda? Hi, Yolanda. Hi. so pretty. Forward. Look at Golly, this girl. Relax. You're in the spa. You're having a spa day. Hi, Bernice, Bernice. Here's Langley. Wait, oh my, Peggy. Peggy, no Peggy. Oh my gosh. Silly goose. And there's Pancake over there. I just lost my voice for a second. I don't know what happened. And this is Langley. Y'all, my voice just... What happened to my voice? Peggy, what happened to my voice? This is Bernice, Bernice. Bernice, Bernice. Look at her tail. She has pretty colors on her tail. Hey, Bernice. Look at Yolanda. She is knocked out. What's wrong with you? This is Ford. This is Bernice. This is Yolanda. And this is one of Cha-Cha's. I put him in here because he's big, and the other container that I have the other kittens in, he can jump out of. I'll show you in another video probably. So I had to put him with the big kittens because he can jump out of the other thing that his brothers and sisters are in. So what's going on here is a heating pad element going underneath a towel, and a girl that is so addicted to me, a boy, and another boy. He's fluffier than that, but I guess he's still wet, both of them. And he's not wet, but you know what I mean, damp. And these are two rats that I don't know what I'm gonna do with. They will not grow. This one's growing. And then this one, she's probably about, I don't know, she's probably about 8 or 9 weeks old, but look how little she is. That one's getting pretty big. But this one, she's still wet. Well, not wet, but damp. Hey, sweet. She's like old and wise, but she's super small, so she always has to hang out with babies. Same thing with that one. I can't hold you all the time, miss. This girl, she needs a good mom to adopt her. I'm gonna lower the prices on these because their dad is a polydactyl ragdoll Hemingway, but their mom is a calico Maine Coon cat, and they just look, you know what I mean, they're just like mixed, and they, I don't know, but I'm gonna lower the price on these 3 here. I'm not putting you down or anything. I just want you to find a good home. Because they want attention and they want to be loved. And they are very, very sweet kittens. Don't pull on that now. But I was giving every single kitten a bath. And that's why I just put the towels that I used to dry them off with over there. So this is just a makeshift thing to hold them until I get their playroom cleaned up after their bath, so they can be nice and clean, and then they can go in their playroom that will be nice and clean. It's just something you gotta do with kittens. They'll walk all through their food and their cat litter and make all types of messes sometimes when it's a whole bunch of them. I'm not gonna say your kitten's gonna do that when you take it home. It'll be one kitten versus me with 12 kittens or whatever. So I just wanted to show you them real quick, and they're not this lanky looking. They have pretty fur. It's just kind of laying down, isn't it? Happy now? Happy now? Yeah, you happy now? He has a pretty mane, but it's laying down, so we're gonna fluff it up. Yeah. What are we gonna do with you? I think I'm probably just gonna keep this girl right here. And this is a little boy. And then all 3 of these kittens are polydactyl. Yeah. And this is a girl. And this is a boy. And this is a boy. And I checked, and this is a boy, but I thought it looks like a girl, don't it? But it's not, it's a boy. And then this one is the runt, and this one is the runt. And they're sisters, but they're like 8 or 9 weeks old. They should be living in their new homes by now, but they're not on my website because they're so small. Are you messing up my focus? Hold on now, I can't hold you all the time. See? Poor things. Okay. I just wanted to show those kittens to you. This is Peggy. She just wants to be held. She's like, yes, just hold me, just hold me, and I'll make biscuits in the air. Oh, it's so pretty. Damn polydactyl. Damn polydactyl. Oh. The reason you don't see videos of Pancake is because I'm keeping Pancake. It's going to be Camilla's last litter, her last polydactyl boy, so we said that we should keep her one of her polydactyl boys. She only had one polydactyl boy, so we're going to keep Pancake. And so let me get Pancake. Look at those little babies. Pancake, oh Pancake, Pancake. This is Pancake. Pancake, look at my hand. Look how big my hand looks. It is big. But really, I'm only 5'2", so you think that the kittens are bigger because my hand looks so big, but my hand's really short and stubby. So the kittens are smaller than you think. Hi, what are you doing to me? Are you grabbing my hand? I think you have such a soft belly. Yes, you do. You are so pretty. Oh, she took her tongue out. Goody, goody, goody. Goody, 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 goody. Goody, 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 goody. Pretty, 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 pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. Ooh. That's Langley. He's knocked out. Yolanda. Yolanda, I heard your name is going to be Noelle. And your new, not Noelle. Why did I say Noelle? I mean Chanel at your new home. Yolanda? Whistle, whistle, whistle. Whistle, whistle, whistle. He's still a little bit damp, I guess. Before he goes to sleep. What's up, baby? I don't want to hurt your toes. Thanks for helping me. Okay, I bought the kittens this little thing called Wheel of Fun. I think I got it on Amazon. So I put it together, and we're going to bring them in here after their bath because they're getting blow dried right now, and we're going to surprise them with this new toy. It was actually fun putting this together. It reminded me of Tinker Toys or something. But anyway, I'll go get the kittens and be right back. Kittens, I have a surprise for you. Wake up, baby. Wake up, baby. I got a surprise for you. Andy, wake up, baby. I got a surprise. Come on. Let's go. Little boy. Yolanda. Come on. You're all tucked in over there, aren't you? Sleepy head. Oh, stretch pancake. Forward. Oh, forward, sleepy. And Piggy. Okay. What do you think about it? Santa Claus brought it for you. Do you like it? You're still sleepy? Langley? You can go in there. Stretch. See, we're still tired.